Hello, my name is Obed Hernandez. I am 40 years old. I have been suffering from back pain for many years now, but the last two have been really difficult. For the past year, I was trying to find some relief from the back pain, so I tried everything from assisted stretching, chiropractic. I did cortisone shots, pills, stretches, exercises, but it seemed like it wasn't getting any better. And I finally decided that I needed to get an MRI, and it showed that I needed surgery. I needed some immediate help. After speaking to several colleagues and friends, I was recommended to Dr. Smith about, he did a great job with them doing some minimally invasive surgery to help their back issues. So when I came to Dr. Smith, it was a solution that I needed, and he eased me into surgery. I've had surgery before in the past for other issues, and it wasn't a good experience. But he eased me into it, and knowing that this was going to be a solution for the issue that I was having. I want to say that immediately after surgery, once I came back into normal, I was able to move my legs in a way that I wasn't able to do it in the past. Because whenever I would lift my leg, I would feel that sharp pain in the back, and that was gone. And the recovery process has been something that I'm dealing with now, just in terms of the screws and the pedicles and stuff, my body getting used to it. But I feel like I'm making progress to recovery, and I highly recommend Dr. Smith. Great doctor, great person, and hopefully this recovery will be something that I'm going to be able to live another 40 years of my life without that pain that I had in the past. A pain is no joke, and we try to mask the pain by doing other things, and I'm not one to take I don't like taking pain medicine. So I think that if you're having back issues, I think coming to see Dr. Smith is would be a good option for you, because he's very knowledgeable. He's very clear and informative in the process that you will need. And um, you never know until you come and talk to Dr. Smith, because for me and for the people that I've known that come to Dr. Smith, it's been something that has really helped with my pain, and I know that I'm gonna live a different life, a better life, now that I had the surgery. My pain issues started when I actually broke my leg 24 years ago. I was 16 years old, and it was a process. I had several surgeries, and ever since then, I had to live with pain. And ever since then, I had to deal with the issues of taking pen medication. So that is something that nobody wants to live with, right? It changes your mood. It changes who you are. You become irritable. You feel like nobody really understands. But I am looking forward to not living, now that I had the back issues. I'm looking forward not living with that back pain, because it got to the point where I couldn't walk down the block, because I would feel a sharp pain. My legs would go numb, tingling, and now, like, I know that I'm in the recovery process. I'm 2 weeks out of surgery, but I'm able to go on 2-3 mile walks now, when I couldn't do that before. So you don't have to live with pain. There's solutions to the pain that people are having, especially in their back, and it's worth a shot coming to Dr. Smith. everybody that knew you said really good words and about you, and that you're a very unique person. And you know what? It's true. Very fun guy. He makes your experience comfortable, jokes, and very informative about the process that you're gonna have. And when I say when he says minimally invasive, you're like, well, how can that be minimally invasive if they're gonna do surgery? But you know what? After seeing the scars and stuff that I have, like, wow, it's like I thought it was gonna be a different process having back surgery. But Dr. Smith was clear on exactly the procedure that I was going to have and how I was going to feel. And thank you, Dr. Smith, for giving me the opportunity to live a second life now without that back.